god. You're so awesome, Lawrence Lim.
It's Lawrence Lim with the W. Pam, 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 pam. Tayo sa restaurant. Hello! Saan na yung mga makakulit? Saan na yung makakulit? Wala sila dito?
Andun sila, andun, nakatago.
Ano nakatago? Sa likod?
Oo, kasi hindi, dito,
Oh.
pinapunta namin doon.
Oo.
Kasi hindi pwedeng lalabas sila. Sa likod.
Oh, sabi niya lang, dito ako.
Sige.
Kasi yung premium nila sa akin. Hello! Goku is here!
One eternity later.
Goku is here! What? Uncle Goku is here! No, that's scary.
Hello! Did you like it better? You want, you
look scary.
so even though it's very good, I'm still Joker. Hey, remember? Hey, remember who won? Here's my gift for you guys.
Yay! Look at that.
Who's the winner? You're the first one, right? So you're the first one to choose your prize, okay?
Here's my prize.
Yeah.
I'm so good.
Okay.
I think. Okay.
Uh-oh. Can you hold it for me? Take a video, okay? It's already played. Here's your prize. You're the first one to choose because you're the winner.
What is this?
You want the hat or you want Goku?
What is this?
You want that one or you want Goku? Choose which one do you want.
What is this?
It's for your room. So you can put, it's 3D. So you choose first, you're the winner.
Oh wow!
Which one do you like?
Which one do you want? Like, no, I want this. No.
No, he has to choose first.
This one.
Which one do you like better? That one?
Which one do you want? The muscular or this one?
Which one do you like better?
This one's red and green.
Or who wants the hair? Oh, wait. No. Not yet.
I'll take this one. I'll take this.
Okay, how about you? You're the second one? You want that one? Okay, you end up, you have this one. You like that one?
No.
And I have extra one for you. Don't worry.
Oh my god. Did you say thank you to Uncle? Wait, no, wait.
The magic?
Yeah.
Oh, the magic trick here. I'll show you. Wait a minute. Oh, wait.
What is that? Oh wait, that's a magic trick.
No.
I'm watching you, know.
Hey, sorry. I have a gun for you. The last one. You want it?
No.
No.
That's a shotgun. No way. No way.
He's the last prize, so he get the gum. Get the gum. The last gum. Pull the gum.
Wait, I want.
Just pull the gum.
Here, take this one.
I thought you were scared. That's the one I told you.
No, wait.
If you ask somebody to get the gum.
Can I try it? I want to trick someone. Wow.
And ate, not but this. Regalo ko sa inyo. Display nyo. Philippine flag. Pwede nyo display dito.
Wow, sige, thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you say thank you to Uncle? Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, kain na ako.
Yo, Goku's back, ready to attack. Nagbigay ng daan, giveaway na swak. Content creator sa laro, ito'y tapat. Salamat sa suporta, hindi na ako nag-iisa, bro. Mga fans nagtipon-tipon, lahat nag-enjoy. Galing sa puso, ito'y kulat totoo. mo Puno ng saya, bawat sagot ay jackpot Goku sa scene, ready na para sa hotshot Goku's giveaway, tagumpay na tagumpay Sa susunod na buwan, marami pang mayayari Follow me, huwag nang palampasin Maging bahagi ng trip dito, huwag nang umalis Sabado at Linggo, nagugutom ka na Tumayo sa J-Restaurant, kakainan ng saya Less than 30, sulit na sulit Masarap na pagkain dito, walang kulang Tara na, salas ng saya at saya